Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to give heading in HTML and how to give blank spaces and how to set background color and formatting tags in HTML. So this is a simple coding to create a paragraph in a web page. It is displayed like this, and if I want to give heading, then after body tag I will use h1 tag. So h tag is used to give heading, and it starts from h1 and end to h6. Okay, so h1 heading is used to give largest heading and h6 is used to give smallest heading. So here I am giving a heading my para, or you can give HTML language, then close h1 tag. So this h1 tag will create a largest heading. After giving a heading, save it and reload a file. See, HTML language heading is displayed on the screen, but it is aligned to left side. So we will bring it in the center. So align attribute can be used here and center value. Then again save it and reload. Now the heading is in the center of a web page. If we want to give a small heading, then write h2 is smaller than h1 and save it and reload. See, size is reduced. Again, if you want to reduce it again, then use h3, then save it and reload a file. See, again it is reduced. So like this you can use h4, h5 and up to h6 you can use the headings. This is the smallest one, h6. Save it and reload. See, the smallest heading. So I am going to use here only h1. You can use according to your need. Okay, then I want to set a background of this web page. So to set a background of a web page, we give a bg attribute in body tag, bg for background, color color equals to I am giving here blue. You can use any color. Then save it. Remember that always to change a background color, write bg attribute. This is attribute of body tag. In body tag you have to write bg attribute, then give the value of color, then save it and reload. See, the background of a web page is blue. Then if you want to make the text bold, use b tag. I want to make this text to be displayed bold in web page, So up to here I will use B tag from here and close here. Okay, then save it and reload. See, the text is bolder than before. Then from here to here I want to make it italic, so I will use here I tag and close here, then save it and reload. See, this text is become italic. Then I want to make this text underline, so I will use U tag before this text and here I will close it, then save it and reload. See, this text is underlined. Okay, then I want to strike this text, so I will use strike tag here and close strike tag after a text. Remember that spellings of the text should be correct. If we will write wrong spellings of tags and attributes, then it will not work. Then reload it after saving. See, this text is strike. A line is appeared over a text. Okay, so in this way you can format this text using bold, italic, underline and strike through tags in HTML. If you want to change the color of text, then use font tag. So here before text I will write F20 font, then COLOR equals to YELLOW. Always write the values in inverted commas. Okay, then before P tag you close it. Write this font tag before B tag and here you close it before P tag. Then save it and reload the page. See, the color of text is changed to yellow. So this font tag can be used to change color by using this color attribute. Okay, if you want to change the size of font, then use size attribute of font tag and give the value. Here I am giving 10, then save it, reload it. See, the size of text is increased. Okay, so by using this size attribute of font tag, this is tag, color is attribute of font tag, size is attribute of font tag, yellow is value of color attribute, 8 is a value of color size attribute. Then save it and reload. Okay, so you can use 6 size to a font. Okay, if we want to change the face of a font, then in font tag use face attribute of font tag, and then after writing face attribute write equal sign and open inverted commas and select the font from here. Suppose I want to use this one, so I will click on this font and from here I will copy it. So you can copy any font from here. Here are so many fonts available in this, any one you can use. So this one if I want to use, then I will select it and right click here and copy. Don't copy from here, copy from here, then cancel it, and here you just paste it, right click and paste, then close inverted commas and then save it and reload. See, the text is changed, face of the text is changed. Okay, so try to practice this tags in HTML and learn to create web pages. Thank you for watching this video.